Welcome back everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing today? So we are going to make out this top with Duchess fabric, and it's a princess bustier that we are going to make with it, and you have also a turtleneck. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others to see. Comment. So let's get started now. So now we'll go ahead now to start with my length. So I'm going to place my tape starting from the upper side like this to get my length. My length that I'm having is 24 inches. So that is my length, 24 inches. So then I will also roll it like this. It's a simple top that you're going to make up with this Duchess fabric. So then I will go ahead now to place my tape and mark 3.5 inches for the middle line. So that's my 3.5 inches. So I will continue to mark it and then roll it also. So after marking it, we are going to also mark our nipple to nipple points. So that is the line. And then to mark to my nipple point, placing my tape like this to mark 9 inches. After that, I'm going to mark on my underbust 12 inches. My underbust is 12 inches. My nipple point 9 inches. Then for us to cup our bustier, I'm going to mark 1 inch down like this. So I will just mark that 1 inch down to the length that I have, and then also using my ruler to rule it on that line that I marked 1 inch. Why making that 1 inch or marking 1 inch is to make our cup to cup out very well, our bustier cup to cup out very well. So that is it. So then on this my nipple point, I will now curve it to my underbust like this. So I hope you understand what I'm doing here now. So that I've curved it. And then to take my shoulder is 15 inches, that is 7.5 inches. So that is my 7.5 inches for my shoulder. And then to place my tip again to mark my shoulder, that is from my shoulder to my chest line 8 inches. So then I will also roll down my shoulder that I marked 15 inches like this. So remember what I marked from my shoulder to my chest line is 8 inches. That means what we have now is we divide it, that will give us 4 inches. So that's my 4 inches. From that 4 inches now, we connect it to my nipple point like this. That's for the princess dot. So I'll connect it to my 4 inches. I hope you are getting it. So then taking it to the underbust. So we're done with our cup, our bustier. So then I will go ahead now to mark my bust now, my proper bust. That is 34 inches divided by 4. That will give us 8.5 inches. So that's my 8.5 inches. Adding this 1 inch that we marked earlier, that will make the butter to pop out. So that is my 1 inch. And then adding my sewing allowance that we will use to sew it, adding 1.5 inches. So that's what I added there. So I will also add it to my underbust, what I have there. So there is my underbust also, adding it, what I added there. So that is it. And then so my waist, like my half length, is 15 inches. So then I will also mark my bust and my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 26 inches. That is 6.5 inches when divided by 4. So we'll also add all this our 1 inch that we added, that will cut out later. That is the 1 inch, and then adding my sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance I'm adding here is 2 inches. Then bringing down to my hem line that will serve as the hip. So I'm going to mark 11.5 inches. Then 10 inches like this. So that is it now. So we've gotten our measurement now. So then I will connect all my lines together. That is my measurement from my bust like this to my under bust, from my under bust to my waist like this, from my waist now to my hem line, or you call it the hip line. So that is it. So I've gotten it now. So then we'll not just leave our hemline like that. So I'm going to mark 1 inch to curve it, and then using my ruler to curve it like this. So that is it. So our measurement is done now. So that is it now. So then I'm going to cut it out now. So let me cut it out. And before then, I will also want to cut this my bustier, like the princess cut like this. Take it up like this, and then so that is it. So now I'm going to cut it out now. So I'll start from here like this. Cut. So this is our middle point now. You can start from anywhere. So this is what I'm going to do now. So I'll start like this and cut it. So that is it now. So please, if you don't understand what we are doing here now, you can check it out again. That is to watch it again. So that you get all the details that we are making out of this style. So the middle part now is cut out. So remember to notch your under bust. So that is the under bust. Then I'll also go ahead now to cut like this again. So I hope you understand what we are making here, cutting it. So this is it. So this is the side that I'm cutting out now. So this is how you can make your princess bustier. So have your fabric and do that, and watch this video down to the end so that you can see all the details that we just did here. So this is the front side of it now that we've cut out now. So I'm going to use this to place at the back piece and then cut out the back piece. So just stay tuned and watch it down to the end to see the outcome of this tie. So this is it. So can you see how it is now? So this I'm going to cut the back piece now using my front piece. So this is the side of the front piece. So remember, this is the bustier area. So I will use my scissors to place it like so that it will not appear at the back. And this is my front side, that the middle part of the bustier. So this I'll place it, and then we'll just use it to cut the back. And it's a free top that will not have zip. So I've not had any zipper allowance at the back. So I will just go ahead now to cut it out like this. So this you can also do your own when making your own. Remember, it's bustier that we are making, that we have princess that bustier. So this I'm cutting it now. So watch this video down to the end, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Subscribe to my channel, and also comment and share my video to others to see, so that they too can watch and learn. So after that, I'm going to go and join all the pieces together, and then our bustier will almost ready to wear out. So now I'll go ahead now to start with my neckline to cut it. So I've joined the body parts together. So that is the front neck that I want to cut. So I will go ahead and mark 3 inches for my neckline. So that is my 3 inches, and then to bring down the depth of the neckline, is V neckline, is 5.5 inches that I'm marking out, and then I'll use my ruler to roll it to get my V neck. So then after this I will cut it out. So let me use my scissors to cut it. So that is the V neck for the front is 5.5 inches for the depth of the neck. So after this, I will go ahead now to take it to the machine to go and stitch. So let me open it for you to see how the neck is. So that is the V-neck now. So I hope you are following up. So that is it. So then I will go and join the shoulder, that is the front and the back now. So now is to measure the body part now. So we are going to divide it into two this time around. So that is the bust, 34 inches. So we count it out, that is 3 inches and 1.5 on the other side, 1.5 on this other side. So to the under bust, the under bust is 26 inches. So that is it, we'll count it out. So it is also giving us 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches for the allowance. So after that now, I will also come down to the down part and measure. So what I'm doing there is, it will be free, so I'm just taking out half inch out of it to make it that 36, while the waist now 27. So coming to the waist side is the same thing that I'm going to mark, that 26 inches. So that is what I'm marking out there now. So 1.5 inches what I'm marking. So to the down part, that is the bottom, and we can call it as the hip. So it's 1 inch that I'm marking out there, 1 inch. So that is it. So now I will connect the lines together. On that line that I'm connecting, that is where I will stitch. So that is where our stitch will pass. So that is what I'm going to do now. So I'll take it to the machine to go and join it together, and our top will be ready now. So I'm going to fold it like this to get my neck line. So this, I'm going to fold it triangle form like this, and then mark 1.5 inches on the neckline. So what I have on the neck is 14 inches, but I'm going to mark up more than that 14 inches. So this is what I have here. I'm going to mark up to 17 inches. We can trim it out if it's more than that. So then for the weight, it's 1.5 that I'm going to mark. So that is what we are going to use. So by the time we finish sewing it, it will come back to that 1 inch that we need. It's 1 inch that we need. So then this is it. So I will cut it out now. This is it. I've cut it out. So what I will do, I'll go and sew it around the neck and then show you how it is. So we have come to the end of our tutorial for today. So this is the outcome of our Bustier princess top for today, and this is the turtleneck and this is the V-neck. So this is how we came to achieve this type for today. I hope you enjoy watching it, and if you don't understand what we just did here, please watch it again and also share it for others to see, and also comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.